turn on and turn off power saving on Samsung Galaxy A05. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and turn off power saving on Samsung Galaxy A05. If at the end of this video guys, you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now guys, how do you go about this? First thing to do is to open up your phone and go straight to your phone settings. From your phone settings guys, scroll up until you get to battery. Click on battery. Now from that battery guys, you can see messages. We have power saving, we have background usage, battery protection and all that. Now go ahead and click on the button at the front of power savings. Then you can see the battery life changes. It changed to 16 hours 33 minutes left. Then if you turn it off, you see 14 hours 9 minutes left. That means power saving extend the lifespan of a battery. So guys, that's how to turn on and turn on power saving on Samsung Galaxy A05. If you find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, give it a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell for more updates so that you'll be notified whenever I drop my video. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys in the next video.